Hi there, peanut butter and jelly lovers. Have you ever wondered if indulging in your favorite childhood sandwich every day could actually be good for you? Well, get ready to be amazed, because today we're unveiling the incredible 9 health benefits of eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich every day for a month. Benefit 1. Boosts energy. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates in a peanut butter and jelly provides a steady release of energy throughout the day, keeping you fueled and focused. Benefit 2. Supports heart health. Peanut butter is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Benefit 3. Improves brain function. The healthy fats found in peanut butter are essential for brain health. They enhance cognitive function and promote better memory and concentration. Benefit 4. Enhances muscle recovery. Thanks to its high protein content, the peanut butter in your sandwich aids in muscle repair and growth after workouts, helping you recover faster. Benefit 5. Boosts immunity. Peanut butter contains vitamin E, an antioxidant that strengthens the immune system, keeping illnesses at bay. Benefit 6. Promotes healthy weight. Contrary to popular belief, the healthy fats in peanut butter actually support weight loss by keeping you feeling fuller for longer, preventing overeating. Benefit 7. Supports digestive health. The fiber content in whole grain bread promotes a healthy digestive system, reducing the risk of constipation and improving overall gut health. Benefit 8. Provides essential nutrients. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are packed with vitamins and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B, supporting overall health and well-being. Benefit 9. Enhances mood. Not only does peanut butter and jelly taste delicious, but it also boosts serotonin production in the brain, promoting feelings of happiness and well-being. So there you have it. 30 days of peanut butter and jelly can provide you with these incredible 9 health benefits. Now it's time to grab that bread, spread the peanut butter, slather on the jelly, and enjoy the benefits of this delightful sandwich. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing health insights.